Autosell and Autobuy, different tools often used together. Let's take a look. First up, Autosell. Think of it as a feature that automatically creates limit orders the moment you make a purchase. Custom stop losses, take profit points, your rules built in. From settings, select Autosell. Don't see it? Switch to advanced mode. Now click New and let's assign a name with the tag button. Next, choose where your setup applies: swaps, limit orders, DCA, or any mix of those. Click All Wallets and choose which wallets you want to your setup active. Now the meat on the bone, the orders. Remember, these are limit orders anchored to your entry point. Click Add Orders, set your stop loss, set your take profit. Example, type 100 in the left, 50 in the right, that's a take profit. If the token doubles, you sell half. Classic move. Want a stop loss? Enter -25 on the left, 100 on the right. That means if price falls 25%, you sell it all. You can set up to 100% total for take profits and stop loss orders, but not more. You can't sell what you don't have. Adjust slippage. Set expiration if you need it. Toggle on to activate. Pause, resume, or delete profiles in settings anytime. Check all your limit orders, including Autosells, right from the start menu. All right, Autobuy. What does it do? Simple. When it's on, the bot instantly buys tokens you send it, no extra confirmation. Paste in a contract address and boom, purchase made using your preset settings. From settings, select Autobuy. Choose your wallet or bundle. Set your buy amount, add slippage. Filter by minimum liquidity, maximum market cap, or only renounced. Toggle on or off, but be mindful. When it's active, pasting a contract address or link will trigger a buy right away. So make sure everything's dialed in. Once you flip the switch, the auto buy monitor will show you whether your Autosell profile is paired and ready. Stay safe, stay in control, and happy trading.